Hi, I'm Cindy Hilfiger. This is my 76 Corvette Stingray. We did a full restoration on it. We kept as much original as we could, but we did do a couple of upgrades to the exterior, as you can see. Paint job was brush stuff by Pooch. We're from Canadensis, PA, up in the Pocono area. It's the original engine. We pulled it, cleaned it, painted it. Didn't do.
Not been modified or anything.
Nope, didn't really do anything with that.
What do you call the paint? What is the?
The paint is actually a Nissan Sunkissed, I believe. That's what it was called. Did some pearl black. My son does auto body, Joel Hilfiger, so he is the one that did the body restoration and cleaned up the engine for me.
Really good.
And we
Where are you
decided
guys from?
Canadensis, PA, up by the Poconos.
Okay.
So recovered the seats. It was kind of a hot mess when we first got it, so
It looks really good. Beautiful.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.